remove limitation from PayPal account. In this guide video, I'll show you the steps on how can you remove limitation from PayPal account. To remove a limitation from your PayPal account, generally you need to log in. So here's what you need to open up a browser. You could also use an application, either way, the procedure will remain the same. So when you open up a browser, type in paypal.com or just go with the paypal.com and log into your account using your credentials. So once you're logged into your account, then what you need to do is look for notifications about the limitation in your account dashboard. So here you could go with the bell icon and there you have the notifications. After which, what you have to do is you may also find information in the resolution center as well, right over here regarding it. The instructions will guide you on a specific actions needed to recover the limitations as well. Now this may include confirming information in your account, example, address, phone number, all that. And likewise, the other thing you could also do is providing documentation, example, ID proof of the business, and explaining recent business activities as well. Likewise, you could provide all the necessary informations and documentations that is requested by the PayPal. You could also ensure the documents are clearly legible and accurate as well. After which, you have to simply wait for the PayPal will review the information you submitted. The review process typically takes a few business days and you may receive an email from a PayPal with further instructions or if they need any questions. So once PayPal has reviewed your account, the limitation should be removed and you should be able to access your account and use the functions. So here you just have to go ahead and do it from the notification section. You will be able to do it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.